What's shaking, gang? My name's Brittany Ventura, and I am a home cook. We are home cooking, hauling, and I was just at Giant Eagle, also at a local meat market called Henry's. Wanted to show you all what I got. Now, it's a Thursday when I'm filming this, and I did my big shop on like Sunday, Monday. So this is where I'm at midweek, halftime. So is it everything? No. Am I at the grocery store a lot? Yes. I have 2 young boys, middle school age, and a hungry husband. So I'm gonna feed them boys. That's what I'm here to do. If you would care to join along on these adventures in the kitchen, please. I eat keto. I've been doing that for a few years. My boys don't eat keto. They sort of do, but they don't know they do, with the occasional sprinkling of macaroni and cheese and peanut butter and jellies. That's like a general lay of the land here. So today, what I got is as follows, and in no particular order. It's going to be a surprise for me because sometimes I go like blackout shopping, or I'm talking on the phone with my mom and things just end up in my cart. Oh God. So I don't have one. I do not have an air fryer. This is R&D. I am thinking about getting an air fryer because my oldest son really wants me to do it. Now, I ain't one of them cooks that has about 1,000 gadgets and specialty tools in my kitchen. No, I like the things I like, and I want them to do a lot of things really well. So we'll see. I'm basically interviewing air fryers right now. I'll let you know my thoughts. Oh God, my little boy got invited to a birthday party, and this card from the shoebox collection reads as follows: they're 10. Did I fart in this card? Maybe. But you opened it and checked. That's worse. Coolest mom ever. See what I mean? Not really keto. Not really at all. And I went family size. Like I said, I got 2 boys. So what I'll do in the back in my pantry is everybody's got a snack box, like kind of everybody. My husband really doesn't, but like he dabbles into all 3 of ours. But there's mine, my one son, and my other son. So I'm just going to split 50-50, and everybody's going to have some gushers. Oh my God. I am a motorcyclist. That's right. And my key fob ran out of a battery. So in my Harley Sportster, I need a CR 1632. Now my husband also is a motorcyclist, and his is a couple months younger than mine. So when his batteries due, I got the batteries. I got you, boo. Don't even worry about it. Mama got you. Mama got you. Okay. Tell me you grew up in the 90s without telling me you grew up in the 90s. I don't know what it is about this. It takes me back. And my boys have curly hair. I have curly hair. I sort of have curly hair. I'm on a hair journey. So this is what my whole head used to look like. Just like ringlets, they do their own thing. They dry naturally and just look like this, right? However, this part, which gets more sun damage, which hot tools, all that stuff, it's less curly. So I gotta like marry the 2 curls the best I can. Their hair is a lot like that too. So this is just the miracle curls. And they're so funny. Like anytime we're at the beach, I always try and get them like a coconutty body wash while we're there. And this is coconut. They gonna love that. They gonna love that. Big Jif. That's right. I feel like some folks are not Jif fans and they're Peter Pan fans or Skippy, or is that what it? Yeah, Skippy. And I can remember, we're Jif family. I remember when my husband and I moved in together, and he was like, we gotta go grocery shopping because I don't know like if you're brand sensitive. I don't know, he said. Just could be. I'm gonna tell you right now, I am one fussy broad. I am particular. Obsessive compulsive, yes, all the things. So he says, I don't know what brand you like, so we got to go grocery shop together. So like we can like feed the house, right? I mean, it's just me and him. We lived in Queens, so grocery shopping was like, I mean, you need 2 people so you can carry all the stuff home. You know what I mean? And we were not pulling that cart. Those, I know a lot of people had those. We did not have those. We used these. Anywho, we established at that moment that it was going to work out between us because we both like Jif. And this. So I've never seen it in this tall tower, and apparently you can refill it, and it is an easy pour. If you do not know about the magic that's in this tin, let me tell you, you can brush your teeth with that. Beyond all the obvious stuff that you know that baking soda can do. I use it to wash my face. If I want to get that, like, I don't know, what is it called when you go and they like shave your face and exfoliate you real good? Micro, blah, blah, blah. That. I do that here. So I'll take baking soda, rub-a-dub-dub, rinse it off. Your skin feels amazing right there. And then I'll take those single blade Twinkle. I think they're by Tinkle. Tinkle or Twinkle? Listen, they're amazing. Single blade, and you just shave your whole face. You have never felt smoother skin than when you do this and the Tinkle Twinkle single blade razors. Best. Boom. 1 bag down, few to go. Moving right along. Okay, so we just got, it's supposed to be smokeless. Now, I don't know who's smoking what over there at whatever my husband bought, but he got us one of these patio fireplaces. And it's supposed to be smokeless because that's my bit. When I go outside to smoke a cigar, which I will do from time to time, if my kids aren't here. I hate it if they see me do bad things that I tell them is bad. So I can't do it. But anyways, if I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna freeze out there, I'm not gonna do it. I'd rather have a fire. But then I don't wanna come in and have to take a shower and do all the things that you have to do when your hair smells like smoke. Cigar smoke, you are gonna have to wash your hair. Fire smoke, like that's a whole nother thing. But I'm traditionally gonna wash my hair after a campfire too. So he sees this smokeless thing and he's like, let's try it. He gets all the stuff. We light one last weekend and he's like, isn't this smoking? I'm like, well, how can you make a fire without a little smoke? I was perfectly okay with a patio fireplace that gave off smoke because that's what a fire do. Yes or yes? Anywho, back to the marshmallows, neither here nor there. The kids saw the fire going and they're like, we gotta make some s'mores, roast some marshmallows. Now we can roast marshmallows. Oh yeah. So my one son, Sam, he's my youngest son. He has had these before, but like, So we revisited them and now he loves them. There's another bag of them somewhere. Love this stuff. Once again, keto. Almond flour works for me. So if I want to do something encrusted, like a chicken tender that's got a little breading to it, this is what I'll dredge them in. Always have it on hand. Always. Little mini chocolate covered pretzels. That's for my mans. When he gets a sweet tooth, I know he loves them. And he don't, honest to God, he really doesn't have a sweet tooth. That's me. Oh my God. I just opened a can of whoop ass over here. So my other son, Ben, my older one, he is 12. Him and my husband love these things. My husband likes this one more, and then Ben likes this one more, except the one he really likes, I couldn't find. I mean, he likes the chocolate ones. He likes this Core Power by Fairlife. Like, this is great. I feel like the Elite, something about it being Elite, like he didn't love it, but like he'll handle it. He'll tolerate it. I got a piss load of those. And they go in the garage fridge, so out and about they will go. So this is the bag from Henry's. Henry's is our like specialty food store / meat market, and I love them. I will support a local butcher every day of the week. Today was no different. So from Henry's, I got 3 New York strip steaks, and they are prime, honey. Prime. Not gonna run you a couple dollars. But every time I make these, my husband's like, oh my God, this is so good. This is from Henry's, isn't it? He knows. And I also got some chicken tenders. This is, I was gonna say, this feels more significant than 1 pound. It's 1.7. Got 2 of those. So I'm gonna have these ready to go and thawed out so I can either marinate them, throw them on the grill, sprinkle some sprinkles on them, do them up. And that's that from Henry's. Back Giant Eagle. Now when I grew up, Giant Eagle wasn't around us. I'm from a small town in West Virginia. We had like the county market and Buy Low and Save a Lot and something else, Save. I can't remember. Oh my God, my Nan would know. Anyway. Okay, here's another one for Sam. Junkless, he loves these things. Granola, chewy, 34% less sugar, and they're chocolate chip. He eats lunch at 1 o'clock, which is really late for middle school. My other son eats lunch at 1 o'clock as well. Isn't that funny? Different schools. So they can take snacks to school. This is one of his faves. And then I thought we'd give these a go. Same idea. Granola bar, chocolate chip. How many proteins we got? Oh, 2 grams, that's it? What do you have, Junkless? 2 grams. But they're low in sugar and all the stuff. Oh, here we go. The other caramel. And I love to make chocolate chip cookies. And I found a recipe about 1 million years ago on Pinterest, and it said, the best chocolate chip cookies. So says the New York Times, circa, I don't know, turn of the century. They were not wrong. Now these chocolate chip cookies that I make are about the size of your face, and they call for chunks, chocolate chunks. And I was out, because you know who made chocolate chip cookies for back to school. I sent my kids play basketball. I sent their coach some. I sent the teacher some. The nurse. Oh my God. So how about my oldest son going to a new big school, and he was very nervous. You don't know what you don't know, right? And all of that anxiety was building up in him, and the poor buddy on his first day, he got sick at school. Nurse was fantastic, calls me. I'm telling you, it was like 8:03. I get a call from the nurse, day 1 of school. She's like, hello, this is nurse so-and-so, and Ben is fine. I'm like, oh God, what happened? She tells me what happened, and I'm like, okay, well, Clorox wipes, a thank you card, maybe some boxes of tissues, and some chocolate chip cookies went into nurse the very next day. I told my son, I'm like, you got to go back and see, what is her name? I keep wanting to call her Nurse Linda. That was the other school. Nurse Linda has retired. Nurse Linda, if you're watching, you're the best. We love you. Hope you're having a great retirement. So new nurse is, I was like, you cannot go into this middle school experience being the kid who, so we're going to reset. So I send him in, and I go, just go to her office, give her this little bag, and say, thank you for being there for me yesterday. Really appreciate it. Da, 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 da. He goes into the office, doesn't say thank you, for being there for me. Really appreciate you. He was just like, here's for yesterday. I'm like, you're getting there. You're getting there. Neither here nor there. 2 more bags. I swear to God, I am gonna cook with these things, and that'll be another video. Oh yes. Okay. A lot of this is for me. I like these. And I didn't have it in my coffee this morning. That's a real shame. And I got coffee here, so maybe I will put it in. Always put it in coffee. I don't know that it would be good in water or like any other form. And I'm not one for smoothies. I'm just not. I like to eat my food. I do not want to drink my food. Just me. But I do. I get it unflavored. I really dig it. Oh my God, yes. Love these. I like all the sparkling ices, but black cherry, that's probably my fave. And the kids know. I'll get them all kinds of other stuff and Gatorades and zero Gatorades. And anything else, like these are 0 sugar too. But I'll get them flavors that scream kids, right? When they see them black cherries, they know step back. And my one son likes strawberry jelly, so we went with, what is her name? I don't know. Her. Next. Oh my God, if you are on YouTube, obviously you are, find Miss K. Oh my God, she is hysterical. K Wright is her. Kaye, Wright with a W. Fantastic. Tell her I sent you. But she does fashion dupe looks. So she'll show you something, all designer, and then she'll dupe it and the vibe is the same. And she's so fantastic. I could watch her all day. Sometimes I have. Neither here nor there. Oh, this is another one for me. So when it says less than 1 gram of sugar, I can partake in that. Now, will all keto people agree with this? No, but you have to pick your poison sometimes. I'll go with that. These are for my son who is trying to gain weight, my older son. He is a tall glass of water. My boy grew 1 inch in 1 month. 1 inch in 30 days. He is trying to gain weight. And when things like that happen, poor guy, he just can't catch a break. But these are helpful. Now this isn't his favorite kind. These are super cookie crunch. The brand is good. He just likes the green wrapper ones, which are apple blah, blah, blah. He'll do those. I just know they're not his favorites, but they didn't have any other ones. Kraken Guard. Now, when I first got this in a body wash form for the boys, I thought it said Karen Guard, like Karen, the Karens of the world, like. And then I thought, man, Old Spice, you are funny. I like that. No, it's not what it was. Oh, I love this stuff. So I'm wearing this today, and I noticed that I was like scraping the edges, so I went ahead and got myself a new one, and I'm wearing shade 4, which is medium. But it's fantastic. I really do enjoy it. It's real glowy, but not quite as you feel like you've got to wash your face midday, like midway through your day. That Charlotte Tilbury, that's the same sort of thing, that is too much for me. Now, I have combination, kind of oily skin, so just know that going into it. This is something I can tolerate without a midday face wash. And like medium, why are we doing soft? Like what? I may as well put toothpaste on my finger and like feathers. It's like brushing your teeth with feathers. No, medium. If they made them extra, extra hard, that's what she said. I subscribe to that school too. All right, that's it. Enjoy the rest of your day, gang. I promise we're gonna cook together soon. And until then,